Ready to snap stunning photos, but not sure which camera to start with? You're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the best beginner cameras of 2025, so you can capture memories like a pro right from day one. Whether you want something pocket-sized, a classic DSLR, or a stylish mirrorless, I'll help you find your perfect match. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give a thumbs up or down, and let me know in the comments which camera you think is the best fit for you. I love hearing your thoughts and experiences. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Ricoh GR IIIx. You don't need a bulky DSLR or a complicated mirrorless camera to take stunning photos. If you want the simplicity and portability of a smartphone, but with the image quality of a real camera, the Ricoh GR IIIx is a top choice. This compact camera slips easily into your pocket and offers straightforward point-and-shoot operation, but with manual controls and a large APS-C sensor for impressive image quality. Unlike your phone, the GR IIIx delivers photos with depth and detail that rival much larger cameras. One thing to keep in mind, the GR IIIx has a fixed lens. There's no zoom. But honestly, that's not a drawback for most beginners. It actually encourages you to move around, experiment with angles, and find better compositions, which is a great way to grow as a photographer. Its 40mm equivalent lens is versatile and beginner-friendly, unlike the wider 27mm lens on the GR4. You can also crop to 50mm or 71mm, though at lower resolution, giving you some flexibility. The GR IIIx features image stabilization, RAW shooting, a built-in ND filter, touchscreen controls, and fast autofocus. Video is limited to Full HD, and battery life is modest since it uses only the rear LCD. But for those seeking a portable, high-quality camera without the hassle, the Ricoh GR IIIx is a smart pick. It's perfect for street photography, travel, or just everyday moments when you want something better than your phone. Number 2. Canon EOS Rebel SL3/EOS 250D. Known as the Rebel SL3 or the 250D, depending on your region. This DSLR isn't the cheapest option out there, but it's worth spending a bit more for the features you get. It's built around Canon's excellent 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, which consistently delivers sharp, vibrant images. One standout feature is the fully articulating touchscreen and Canon's fast dual-pixel CMOS autofocus, making live view shooting smooth and intuitive. In fact, this is one of the few DSLRs where using the screen to compose your shots actually feels better than using the viewfinder. If you're moving up from a smartphone, you'll find the transition easy and comfortable. The menus are clear, the controls are well laid out, and the camera just feels approachable. The Rebel SL3 also offers 4K video, but there are some compromises to keep the price down. So if video is your main focus, a mirrorless camera like the Sony Z VE10 might be a better fit. Still, for casual video and vlogging, it gets the job done. While DSLR technology may be fading, the SL3 remains a solid choice. It's affordable, especially since it uses Canon's older EF mount lenses, letting you build a quality lens collection without breaking the bank. For beginners and budget-conscious shooters, it's great value. Plus, the battery life is excellent, so you can shoot all day without worrying about running out of power. Number 3. Nikon ZFC. The Nikon ZFC stands out not just for its specs, but for how it inspires you to shoot. Sure, there are more affordable and technically advanced cameras out there, but the ZFC's charm is its biggest strength. When a camera makes you want to get out and take photos, that's a huge advantage, especially for beginners. On the outside, the ZFC is a stunning retro design, echoing classic film cameras with tactile dials for exposure, ISO, and compensation. It's a joy to handle and just looks cool. Inside, it shares the same proven tech as the Nikon Z50, but adds a fully articulating screen, making it more versatile for both photos and video. The 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor may not have the highest resolution, but It delivers sharp, detailed images and can shoot bursts at up to 11 frames per second. Great for capturing action, pets, or kids. For video, you get crisp 4K at 30p, and the articulating screen is perfect for vlogging or creative angles. The autofocus system is fast and reliable, with face and eye detection for sharp results. Don't let the vintage look fool you. The ZFC is an excellent starter camera that will keep up as your skills grow. It's a camera you'll want to take everywhere, and that's half the battle when you're learning photography. Number 4. Olympus OMMD EM10 Mark IV. This is easily the most advanced entry-level camera I've ever used. It's packed with features that genuinely help you improve your photography skills. The standout is in-body image stabilization, which keeps your shots sharp and your videos smooth by compensating for camera shake. This makes a noticeable difference, especially in low light or when shooting handheld. It uses a micro 4/3 sensor, smaller than full frame, or APS-C, but still delivers 20 megapixels of beautiful image quality. I've even had magazine covers and double-page spreads published from this sensor, so don't underestimate its capability. The smaller sensor also means both the camera and lenses are truly compact. Unlike some APS-C systems where the camera is small but the lenses are bulky, this setup keeps your entire kit lightweight and portable. That's a huge advantage if you want to travel light or have physical limitations. You also get 4K video plus a tilting touchscreen that flips 180 degrees, perfect for selfies or vlogging. And transferring images to your phone is a breeze thanks to what I think is the best camera app out there. For beginners, this camera does it all without weighing you down. It's a fantastic choice for anyone who wants a feature-packed camera in a small, easy-to-carry package. Number 5. Canon EOS R100. The Canon EOS R100 is designed specifically for beginners, and it really hits the mark. Its controls are straightforward, and the guided menus make it easy to learn how the camera works as you go. It features Canon's reliable dual-pixel CMOS autofocus system, complete with face tracking and eye detection, so you can focus on your shot without worrying about missing focus, even as you're learning settings and composition. The 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor delivers excellent image quality, and the RF mount gives you access to Canon's latest lenses. Plus, with an adapter, you can use classic Canon DSLR lenses, making it a flexible choice as you grow. As Canon's most affordable mirrorless camera, there are a few trade-offs, especially for video. The screen is fixed and not touch-sensitive, and 4K video comes with a crop and loses the advanced autofocus, switching to slower contrast detection. If video is a priority, consider the Canon EOS R50. But if your main goal is to learn photography, the EOS R100 offers everything you need at a great price, making it a fantastic entry point for new photographers. It's simple, reliable, and gives you room to grow. So, which is the best? For most beginners, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 stands out. Easy to use, lightweight, and packed with features that make learning photography a breeze. Start your journey with confidence, and remember, the best camera is the one you'll actually use. Happy shooting!